Hey everyone, this is a train Maya that you all been waiting for. Well, basically I just hop off the Maya train. So, I think the Maya train is gonna start in a few minutes, so it's gonna take a while, but I'll explain to you. The Maya train takes anywhere in different part of the state in Mexico. Not straight towards city of Mexico, only in a different state of Mexico only. So yeah, hope you'll understand, because it doesn't take towards Mexico and Oaxaca. So, anyways, people are hopping in and hopping off where they had to be, just like us. I have fun, but basically, we had to go. We had to get to another state, which is Mexico City. See that? The Maya train goes this way. Hang on. I think it's gonna start like in about a minute or so, but don't worry. The train is starting. I think it's starting. That is one. That is one longer than I thought. Finally, it's starting to leave already. Here it goes. You can see everybody in here. There they go. Now it's heading for the next station.